Okay, this is quiz number 5, problem number 2 on the green form. Alright, so I want to take derivative of natural log of x cubed. So I can look at this and say, well, I know the derivative of natural log of x, that's 1 over x. Well, that's true. And I can use that here and say, well, I've got natural log of something, so I should get 1 over that something. But that something's not just x, right? It's x cubed. So I have to account for that by doing the chain rule. So derivative of the inside. The inside is x cubed, derivative of that will be 3x squared. So that's my answer, but I can clean that up a little bit. So I'm going to have 2 x's here, going to cancel with 2 there. I'm left with 3 over x. Okay. That's not the only way to do this problem. I could also notice that from up here, well, I've got natural log of x cubed. Well, if you got natural log of something to a power, there's a rule for logs that says you can bring that power down to the front. Like that. So instead of natural log of x cubed is 3 times the natural log of x. Well, that's just a constant multiple. I can just leave that alone and then take the derivative of natural log of x. Well, that's just 1 over x. Which is the same number, done 2 different ways. So you can do this whichever way you prefer. I personally prefer this way. It also helps you when you're doing logarithmic differentiation to remember that you have this rule that you can bring the power in front. So it's good practice. I recommend practicing it that way.